everyone, and welcome back once again. Today we complete our 44th book of the 52 weeks 52 books challenge. और आज जिस किताब की हम बात करने वाले हैं is a very old book on negotiation, which was first published in the year 1981, almost 43 years back. और कमाल की बात तो ये है कि इतने सालों बाद भी a lot of concepts discussed in this book still stand relevant even today. So, ladies and gentlemen, here's presenting our 44th book, a timeless masterpiece on negotiation skills named Getting to Yes by Roger Fisher and William Ury. Now, all of us, every single one of us, negotiate on a daily basis, be it with our boss, with our colleagues, maybe with family members, husband, wife, or kids, and most of the times, a lot of our discussions turn into arguments or fights because we are unable to convince the opposite person of our point of view. And that's exactly what makes learning negotiation skills extremely important for all of us. And talking about negotiation skills, this book will help you learn all of it right from the basics. The most important of which being the method of principled negotiation. Apart from this, it tells you how to use silence, cognitive dissonance, framing, and certain specific questions to turn any discussion in your favor. Now, the only hitch here is that the examples and the context used to explain all these negotiation techniques may not sound too relevant for Indian readers, and that's why you might find yourself struggling to make sense of what you're reading. अच्छा, एक बात और, दिवाली है तो पीछे से पटाखों की आवाज आएगी, तो प्लीज इग्नोर. Now that being said, this book is no doubt one of the best books on negotiation skills written so far. Alternatively, if you really want to learn the skills, they'll help you convince anyone, or for that matter, turn any person's no into a yes. Then make sure to check out these two books without fail. Both these books are my personal favorite and will certainly make you into a champion at communication and negotiation. The links to buy the books has been pasted in the description given below.